Welcome all of you in Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Project Roles, that is Rayat Online School Education. I am Professor Sudhir Chandrakant Bhosle from Karmevir Bhaurao Patil Vidyalay and Shakuntani Pereira Junior College, Juchandra. Today we are going to solve practical problem number 2 from Partnership Final Account. Before this, in earlier lecture we have already learned about partnership, their features, their provisions, and we also learn about the pro forma of trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, and partners capital or current account. Now we are going to solve the practical problem number 2. Now come to sum number 2. I request all the students that you should come on page number 55. See, first of all I have read the sum. Sum number 2. From the following trial balance of Messrs. Mitesh and Mangesh, you are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. So, in this sum, they have given you a trial balance on 31st March 2019. And in trial balance, they have given, see the credit side of trial balance, along with capital balances of partner, that is Mitesh and Mangesh, they have given you current account balance. Mitesh rupees 3000 and Mangesh rupees 2000. So, you know that when the balances of current account is given in trial balance, then it is become fixed capital method. Hence, we require to prepare partner's current account. Keep in mind. And if only capital account balances is given, then it is a fluctuating capital method. Then we require to prepare partner's capital account. But in this sum, because current account balances is given, we are going to prepare partner's current account. Now see the adjustments. There are 9 adjustments given in this sum. See the first adjustment. Mitesh and Mangesh are sharing profit and losses in a ratio of 3:1. See, this is not an adjustment. This is just information given to you for preparing profit and loss account, for sharing profit and losses. Now see the second one. Partners are entitled to get commission at 1% each on gross profit. See, every partner is entitled to get a commission of 1% on gross profit. Hence, this adjustment can be done only after calculating gross profit. Now see the third adjustment. The closing stock is valued rupees 23,700. See closing stock, the adjustment of closing stock does not require any kind of tick mark. Now see the fourth one. Outstanding expenses, audit fees rupees 400 and carriage rupees 600. So outstanding expenses, audit fee rupees 400 and carriage rupees 600 is given. Hence, we have make a tick mark on audit fee and also carriage. See audit fee and carriage. Now see the next adjustment. Building is valued at rupees 46,500. Now the value of building is given 46,500. Hence we make a tick mark on building. Thereafter, next adjustment is that furniture is depreciated by 5%. Now see the furniture. We have make a tick mark on furniture. Furniture. Depreciation on furniture 5%. Now next one is that provide interest on partner's capital at 2.5 per annum. Here we have make a tick mark on capital. Next adjustment is that goods of rupees 900 were taken by Mangesh for his personal use. So this is drawings of Mangesh. Hence this adjustment does not require any tick mark on drawing as we prepare separate account. Now last adjustment. Write off rupees 1000 as a bad debts and maintain RDD at 3% on sundry debtors. So we have make a tick mark on sundry debtors. See sundry debtors. And along with this we have make a tick mark on bad debts. But bad debts is not given in a trial balance debit side. So just make a tick mark on sundry debtors. Like this way, we have make a tick mark on adjustment or an items which have an adjustment. Keep in mind the adjustments, the postings which have given adjustment, that is a tick posting. So postings which have tick mark, we have to be posted this posting in inner column of related account. Now let's go for preparing account. Now see, here we prepare on the left hand page trading and profit and loss account, and on right hand page we have prepared partners current account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. At the top of page, first of all we have given heading in the books of Messrs. Mitesh and Mangesh. Thereafter trading account and profit and loss account for year ending 31st March 2019. See, I request all the students that you have to prepare and you have to select front to front pages for preparing trading and profit and loss account and partners capital or current account and balance sheet. लक्षात ठेवा, नेहमी प्रॅक्टिस करत असताना किंवा सम सॉल्व करत असताना फ्रंट टू फ्रंट पेज सिलेक्ट करा, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला वेळही कमी लागेल आणि तुमचा सम पटकन होऊन जाईल. सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू पोस्ट द आयटम. While posting, remember it, the items which have a tick mark should be posted in an inner column, whereas items which do not have a tick mark posted to the outer column. So let's start to posting. See, first of all we have post the items from debit side of trial balance and thereafter credit side of trial balance. So let's start to post from debit balances. See, first stock as on 1/4/2018, that is the opening stock, and you know that opening stock is posted to trading account debit side. Opening stock rupees 25,000. Thereafter building has a tick mark, so it has to be posted to asset side in an inner column. Thereafter carriage is a direct expenses and hence it is posted to trading account debit side. Keep in mind all the direct expenses related with factory and expenses related with purchase should be posted to trading account debit side, whereas the office, administrative, finance and selling expenses posted to profit and loss account debit side. See the next one, factory insurance. See, again this is related with factory, so factory insurance trading account debit side. Thereafter postage. See, postage is office and administrative expenses, hence posted to profit and loss account debit side. Thereafter bills receivable is a one kind of assets, so posted to asset side, bills receivable rupees 13,700. Thereafter sundry debtors has a tick mark, so we have posted sundry debtors in an inner column of asset side. Sundry debtor rupees 52,200. Thereafter return inward. See, return inward means these are the goods which is comes again to the company, that is firm. That is, हम लोगों ने जो अपन जे सेल केलं होतं ते सेल केलेले गुड्स रिटर्न आले, सो हेन्स लेस फ्रॉम द सेल्स. First of all, we just write the amount of return inward, and after posting sales, amount of sales, then we have deducted. Then purchases comes to the debit side of trial balance, debit side of trading account. Purchases rupees 68,900. Then audit fee. See, audit fee is office expenses, that is finance related with finance, hence audit fee profit and loss account debit side. Thereafter loose tools म्हणजे कंपनीमध्ये जे काय स्पॅनर, पकड, हातोडी वगैरे काय सुटे भाग असतात त्याला लूज टूल. So this is the assets posted to asset side. Thereafter manufacturing expenses. Again, manufacturing means production. This is related with the trading account, hence trading account debit side. Thereafter electricity charges, again office expenses debited to profit and loss account debit side. See, आपण काय करतोय, ज्या पोस्टिंग ज्या याच्यावर टिकमार्क आहे त्याच्या खाली थोडीशी जागा सोडतोय प्रत्येक वेळेला. इकडे ऑडिट फी, कॅरेज, परचेस आणि ॲडजस्टमेंट्स करण्यासाठी. Thereafter general expenses. See, general expenses is transferred to debit side of profit and loss account. Export duty. See, export means it is a sales, selling to other country, and selling expenses debited to profit and loss account debit side. Then cash in hand. Cash in hand is our assets, hence cash in hand rupees 75,000. Thereafter bank balance. Bank balance is also transferred to asset side. Then conveyance. See, conveyance is a one kind of traveling expenses, so debited to profit and loss account. Then furniture. See, furniture have a tick mark, so we have posted furniture in a inner column of asset side. Furniture rupees 64,000. Thereafter salaries. Salaries again office expenses, so posted to profit and loss account debit side. Then rent, rate and taxes, again it posted to profit and loss account debit side. Now drawings. See, drawings means it is a goods or amount withdrawn by partner for personal use from the business or firm. So drawing, partners current account debit side. मंगेशची ड्रॉइंग मंगेशच्या कॉलममध्ये, मितेशची ड्रॉइंग मितेशच्या कॉलममध्ये, मंगेशची ड्रॉइंग 2200 मंगेशच्या कॉलममध्ये. Like this way we have complete postings of debit balance. Now move to credit side of trial balance. See, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors is transferred to liability side. Sundry creditors. Sundry creditor rupees 38,000. Thereafter sales. Sales is posted to trading account credit side. मग आपण क्रेडिट साईडला लेस करूया 1,600 आणि 1,73,400 to the outer column. Thereafter capital balances. See, now this is the fixed capital method, hence the amount of capital remains fixed throughout the year. म्हणून आपण ट्रान्सफर करूया लायबिलिटी साईडला. मितेश कॅपिटल रुपीज 1,50,000 and मंगेश कॅपिटल रुपीज 50,000, total 2 lakh to the outer column. Thereafter outstanding salary. See, outstanding salary is now posting only. So keep in mind, posting have just one effect, whereas adjustment have 2 or more effect. मग आता outstanding salary तिकडे posting आहे, so post to the liabilities side. Thereafter bills payable, again transfer to liabilities side. Then return outward. Return outward म्हणजेच आपण परचेस केलेले गुड्स काही खराब वगैरे असतील तर आपण ते सेल परत रिटर्न पाठवतो. So less from the purchase, rupees 1,800 and rupees 67,100 to the outer column. Thereafter current account of Mitesh and Mangesh. See, this is the credit balance of current account. So transfer by balance brought down. Mitesh rupees 3,000 and Mangesh rupees 2,000, like this. Now we have complete our posting. Okay, like this way we have complete our postings. Keep in mind, the postings from debit balances is transfer only to the trading account debit side, profit and loss account debit side and asset side. Whereas items from trial balance is posted to trading account credit side, profit and loss account credit side and liability side. हा एक सर्वसाधारण नियम. Now we are go for adjustment. Now we are going to complete the adjustment. See, first adjustment is just information, so we have conduct after getting net profit. The second adjustment is also calculate after getting gross profit. Now see the third adjustment, closing stock. तुम्ही बघता इकडे थर्ड adjustment, closing stock दिलेला आहे. closing stock valued rupees 23,700. So go for posting this adjustment. Closing stock, you know, first effect is trading account credit side and second effect is asset side. So closing stock 23,700, 23,700. Okay, see the next one is that outstanding expenses. Audit fee rupees 400 and carriage 600. So outstanding expenses means expenses which is due but not paid. म्हणजे ऑडिट फी ड्यू झालेली आहे पण पेड करायची आहे. सो पेड करायचे आहे म्हणून आपण ऑडिट फीज मध्ये ऍड करूया. ऍड रुपीज 400, टोटल 2,200 टू आउटर कॉलम. अँड सेकंड इफेक्ट, दिस ऑडिट फीज पेएबल, हेन्स पेएबल कम्स टू द लायबिलिटी. ऑडिट फी रुपीज 400. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट आउटस्टैंडिंग कैरेज. सेम, ऍड कैरेज outstanding carriage to the carriage, and total amount 2380 to the outer column, and second effect liabilities side. Next adjustment is that building is valued 46,500. See, here the amount of building at the end of year is 46,500 is given. So the difference between 48 opening value and closing value, that is 48,500 and 46,500, value कमी झालेला आहे. So reduction in value of assets is our depreciation. Hence we have less depreciation rupees 2,000 and 46,000 to the outer column. Now depreciation is our expenses, one kind of loss. So second effect, profit and loss account, debit side, depreciation on building 2,000. Next adjustment is that furniture is depreciated by 5%. Again, same, less from the furniture and profit and loss account debit side, 3,200. Next one is that provide interest on capital 2.5% per annum. See, here we calculate the interest on capital, that is मंगेश आणि मितेश या दोघांच्याही कॅपिटलवर आपल्याला इंटरेस्ट कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा. सो मितेशचा इंटरेस्ट 1,50,000 इंटू 2.5 अपॉन 100, तर तो येईल 3,750 फर्स्ट इफेक्ट पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड. आणि मंगेशचा 50,000 इंटू 2.5 अपॉन 100 ₹1250. मंगेशच्या कॉलममध्ये मितेशचा मितेश कॉलम. अँड दिस इंटरेस्ट रिक्वायर्ड टू पेड, हेन्स दिस इज अवर एक्सपेन्सेस. Profit and loss account debit side, Mitesh 3,750 and Mangesh 1,250, total 5,000 to the outer column. Next one is that goods worth rupees 900 taken by Mangesh for personal use. I am telling you earlier, personal use means this is the drawings. Hence first debit to the partner's current account only in column of Mangesh, whereas second effect, goods withdrawn by Mangesh rupees 900 trading account credit side. So like this. Now see the last one. Write off rupees 1,000 as a bad debts and maintain RDD at 3% on debtor. See, here first of all 1,000 is less from the debtor and thereafter calculate on 51,200. See, आपण पहिल्यांदा काय केलंय, 1,000 लेस केले न्यू बॅड डेब्ट्स and thereafter 51,200 into 3 upon 100, तर ते 1,536. मग हे आपण लेस केले. कधी कधी RDD आधी दिलेली असेल 3% आणि त्याच्यानंतर डिस्काउंट दिलेलं असेल, सेम तुम्ही जसं सिक्वेन्स दिलेली आहे तीच सिक्वेन्स इकडे लेस करायची. अँड सेकंड इफेक्ट प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट साइड, यू शुड फॉलो सेम सिक्वेन्स हियर. सी, न्यू बॅड डेब्ट्स रुपीज 1,000 अँड ॲड RDD 3%. आता या सममध्ये आपल्याला बॅड डेब्ट्स दिलेली नाही आहे, मग आपण डायरेक्ट ॲड न्यू बॅड डेब्ट्स लिहिलं तरी चालेल, कारण ओल्ड बॅड डेब्ट्स नाही आहे. So 1,000 new bad debts plus add RDD 3%, 1,536, total amount to the outer column. Like this way we have complete our adjustment. Just one adjustment is remaining. For that purpose we have first of all calculate the gross profit. See, while calculating gross profit, take the total of credit column of trading account and also debit columns of trading account. बघा तुम्ही इकडे क्रेडिट साईडला ज्या अमाऊंट दिले त्यांची टोटल आहे 1,98,000. ही मोठी टोटल आहे म्हणून आपण तिला टायलिंग फिगर बनवायची. अँड रिड्यूस द डिडक्ट द टोटल ऑफ डेबिट कॉलम फ्रॉम 1,98,000. सो 99,000 इज अवर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. सी, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, दिस वन इज अ क्रेडिट बॅलन्स. वाय वी से क्रेडिट बॅलन्स? तुम्ही विचार कराल की हा डेबिटमध्ये, मग क्रेडिट बॅलन्स का म्हणतोय? Because it has transferred to credit side of profit and loss account, hence we call credit balance. So we get a transfer 99,000 as a gross profit. Now calculate 1% commission for each partner. So 99,000 into 1 upon 100, तर ते येतील 990. So commission to partner, Mitesh 990 and Mangesh 990. Again this commission required to pay partners, hence our expenses. So debit side of profit and loss account, Mitesh 990 and Mangesh 990, total 1,980. Like this way we have complete all the adjustment. Now we are going to tally the profit and loss account. Same procedure is here. Take a total of credit side, अब देख रहे आपण बघताय की क्रेडिट साईडला 99,000 आहे आणि डेबिट साईडची टोटल कमी येते, म्हणून आपण काय करतोय 99,000 इज आवर टॅलिंग फिगर. सो दोन्ही साईडला आपण 99,000 लिहूया आणि ही टोटल डेबिट कॉलमची टोटल त्याच्यामधून लेस केल्यावर यू गेट नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ ₹63,684. So this is our net profit. Now net profit required to be distributed among the partner, hence 3:1 is the ratio of profit sharing. So Mitesh 47,763 and Mangesh 63,684 into 1/4. म्हणजे आपण मितेशचं जसं कॅल्क्युलेट केलं 63,684 into 3/4, सेम मंगेशचं 63,684 into 1/4, तर ते येईल 15,921. All these profit is get transferred to the partner's current account. 47,763 in Mitesh column and 15,921 in Mangesh column. Now we have tally partner's current account. So take a total of Mangesh 20,161 and less the total of debit side. So you should get 17,061 as the balance. Same, take a total of Mitesh 55,503, deduct 1,200 from this total, then you should get a balance 54,303. This is balance carried down. Keep in mind again, this is the credit balance of partner's current account. Hence credit balance is transferred to liability side. आणि जर हाच बॅलन्स डेबिट साईडला आला असता तर तो आपण ॲसेट साईडला ट्रान्सफर केला असता, पण हा क्रेडिट बॅलन्स आहे. सो वी हॅव ट्रान्सफर टू द लायबिलिटी साईड. करंट अकाउंट मितेश 54,303 and Mangesh 17,061. Like this way we have complete our total adjustments. Okay, now take a total of asset side, then you will get ₹3,30,364. Now take a total of liability side, you have get ₹3,30,364. It means we have tally our sum. तर लक्षात ठेवा मुलांनो, अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला सम टॅली करायचा आहे. आपल्याला खूप प्रॅक्टिस करावी लागेल, तर यासाठी खूप प्रॅक्टिस करा. थँक्यू.